Hi and welcome to a brand new Laravel 8 video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can set up a development environment with Laravel 8 and Inertiajs. Okay, so to start with, let's go to Laravel 8. So here you are going to be installing Laravel 8 with Inertiajs. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is we are going to create a new project here. So let's install our Laravel project, and let's install it using Composer. Use Composer here to install our Laravel projects. So let's call the is Laravel Inertia. So this is going to take a while, and I'm going to come back when this has been installed. Alright, so our project has finished installing. Let's go to our folder Laravel Inertia. Okay, so let's open a new terminal here. So we want to install Inertiajs in this our Laravel project. Okay, so in the Laravel 8 new UI scaffolding, you can use either Inertiajs or Livewire, and all of these are found in the package called Jetstream. Okay, so we have Jetstream that has the option of either using Inertiajs or using Livewire. So let's install the package Laravel Jetstream. So we'll just type Laravel Jetstream. Alright, okay, so we are going to install this Laravel Jetstream in our project. So this is going to be our UI scaffolding Laravel Jetstream. Okay, so let's go to installation here. Let's copy this, and in this our project called Laravel Inertia, let's install it. Okay, now let's move down. You see, so this Jetstream have two options you can choose from. You can either install Jetstream with Livewire or install Jetstream with Inertia. So in this video we are going to stick with installing Jetstream with Inertiajs. So this one has finished installing. So let's install Inertiajs. Okay, so our Inertiajs has finished installing. Now if we go to our project and run it, okay, let's save our project. Now you see the first thing you are going to see is this one. No connection could be made to target mission reviews and so on and so on. So we need to define our database. So let's go to XAMPP. It looks like our XAMPP is not running. XAMPP. Okay. So let's. Okay. Alright, so let's go and define. Let's create a new database and let's call it Laravel. Inertia. Okay. Alright. So we have created a new database, Laravel Inertia. Oh, what is happening here? So it's telling us unknown database Laravel. Okay, so let's open this. Let's open our project. Okay, so let's go to our .env file. Our database, let's change the name of this database. So it's Laravel Inertia. Okay, let's also change the name of our application. Laravel Inertia. Okay. So when we refresh, now it's saying this table or view not found. Table Laravel initial session does not exist. Okay, so now we need to run the migration. So we see PHP artisan migrate. Alright, so we have migrated the tables. Alright, so this is where we get now. So when you are here, you are one step away. So what we need to do now is to compile the asset by running npm install. So we're going to install and compile the assets. Okay, so npm has finished installing. Let's do npm one dev. Okay, so npm is compiling the asset. So when we refresh, we now see our application is up and running. Okay, so when we go to login, you see this nice and looking UI already created for us. Okay, so everything is working already. You can register. Let's say let's give the password. Okay, if you register, alright, so we have registered in the application. Now you see it is coming already with some nice looking UI already created for profile. Okay, so and all of this is working. I can decide to change my profile information here. Let me add this brand name and I save. You see it automatically gets, it is already saved. Okay, so even if I refresh, now you see our same information that has been saved. Okay, so even two-factor authentication is enabled. Okay, so for you to do that, you input your password. Alright, so it's going to enable two-factor authentication. So everything is already out working for you. Alright, so this video is all about installing and setting up a Laravel and Inertiajs application. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We are going to be making an upcoming video that we are going to be doing a code. We are going to be doing code application using Inertiajs. We are going to be taking it from scratch to show you how you can do code operation, read, write, SPA using Laravel Inertia. So for you not to miss the video, subscribe to the channel and click the like button if this was helpful to you, so as to help promote us. And then so we are going to see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.